How to avoid tech neck. Hello, I'm Dr. Carter here today at Gateway Chiropractic. Today, I'm going to be discussing tech neck. So what is tech neck? Tech neck is a position, a long, prolonged position to where you're looking forward over a long period of time and placing strain on the neck muscles. And the problem with tech neck is it can cause a lot of symptoms within the spine. And the neck problem for our health here with tech neck, it can cause a decreased range of motion. It can also cause improper positioning of the spine, which leads to painful symptoms such as neck pain, headaches, and even numbness or tingling going down into your arms and hands. And if left untreated, it can also cause wear and tear within the muscles and joints within the neck, which could lead to arthritis. And so one of the best chiropractic techniques for tech neck is corrective care. Here at Gateway Chiropractic, we provide that corrective care technique to where we start warming up the tight muscles in your neck first before we adjust, and then we proceed to provide a specific chiropractic adjustment for your neck area. And then we will also prescribe corrective care exercises to help maintain that correction within your spine. So if that sounds like you, if you're dealing with tech neck or if you're having pain and discomfort, click the link in the description below. We can help you get to the root cause of your discomfort with tech neck. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.